My name is Robert. I'm the marketing program specialist here at SOTI, and I've been here for just over a year now. I initially came into SOTI wanting to learn specifically about the mobility industry, but also about working in an office in general. And when the time was coming up to the end of my internship, I felt like I wasn't done learning. So when the opportunity came to convert into full-time, I jumped on it, and I've been learning even more ever since. One of the biggest things I learned over my time as an intern was to just ask questions. I was an intern at the time, so it would only be natural for me to not understand office jargon or even technical jargon that was being thrown around in meetings. So my best advice to any interns out there is just don't be afraid to ask as many questions as you can, because when you're an intern, that is the best time to learn. The one piece of advice that I would offer ties back to the biggest lesson I learned as well. Don't be afraid in the general sense, where don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't be afraid to take initiative when you think a project is interesting and you might want to join it. Just in general, don't be afraid to explore what's out there. As an intern, this is your first real entry into office life, and it is a fantastic time to really make a splash and dive in. As an intern, when you make a mistake, it's a learning opportunity first and foremost. So make sure you're utilizing those mistakes and even successes as learning opportunities to develop into the future.